Remarks, allow me to read the speech of His Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Simba Arati, during the swearing-in ceremony for the County Public Service Board Chairperson. We have also given the Secretary for purposes of this process. Greetings to each one of you, members of the Kisii County Assembly, esteemed guests, fellow workers in Great County, and most importantly, our new Kisii County Public Service Board Chairperson, Mr. Harold Oguso Mausa, and the Secretary Alfred Mureka Nyagoka. I am excited to be part of this history in the making as we welcome the Chairperson and Secretary to the Public Service Board formally to their new and well-deserved roles. Today marks in totality the end of a process which involved experts put together in a selection panel who put the best feet forward to give us the very best. I want to thank you all and appreciate your efforts. I also thank members of the County Assembly who also did a great job in meaningfully scrutinizing the names to clear any dark spots which might have been left behind and ensure that the whole exercise is wrapped up well. As a county, we have faith in your ability to deliver on your mandate, owing to the years of experience you are coming with, and our expectation is that you will work and serve fairly all the people of Kisii County. Mr. Chairman, you are coming in with a full tray awaiting your action, which includes but not limited to staff promotions, which we have already started from the health sector, ghost workers, where we have even called cadres like the drivers and clerical officers. Some did not show up. New staff recruitment is in the process, which we have also started with the health workers. All eyes on you as we expect such important processes like recruitment to be free, balanced, and fair, without anything untoward like bribery allegations. Consider the vulnerable groups like women, people living with disabilities, and act without fear or favoritism. I want to reiterate that under my leadership and my watch, I will ensure that you have full support that you may require and your office independence which will be granted. We welcome you to fully take up your job and move forward. Let's serve our people like Martin Luther King once said, that is Martin Luther King Jr., if you are a street sweeper, sweep street so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will have to say, here lived a great street sweeper who swept his job well. Thank you, and God bless you.